Why is neon so expensive? Have you ever wondered why those bright, colorful signs seem to cost a fortune? Let's dive into the neon world and uncover the secrets behind its hefty price tag. Neon, a noble gas, has captivated us with its vibrant glow for over a century. From vintage signs to modern art installations, its unique properties have made it a sought-after element. But what makes it so special, and why does it come with such a high price? To understand the cost, we need to delve into the science. Neon gas, when electrified, emits a brilliant red-orange light. This phenomenon, known as electroluminescence, is the core of neon signs. However, producing that glow isn't as simple as flipping a switch. The manufacturing process. Glass blowing, the intricate shapes of neon signs are crafted by skilled glassblowers. Each curve, bend, and detail requires precision and artistry. Gas filling. Once the glasswork is complete, the tubes are evaluated and filled with neon gas. This process demands specialized equipment and a controlled environment. Electrode installation. Electrodes, typically made of tungsten, are inserted into the glass tubes. These electrodes will conduct electricity, energizing the neon gas. Aging process. After assembly, neon signs undergo an aging process. This involves running the sign for extended periods to ensure optimal performance and longevity. The high-cost breakdown. Labor-intensive process. The craftsmanship involved in creating neon signs is time-consuming and requires highly skilled artisans. Specialized equipment. The tools and equipment used in neon sign production are often custom-made and expensive to maintain. Rare gas. Neon gas itself is relatively rare, and extracting it from the atmosphere is a complex process. Energy consumption. Running neon signs requires a significant amount of energy, contributing to the overall cost. Material costs. Glass, electrodes, and other components used in neon sign production can be costly. The art and nostalgia. Beyond the science and economics, neon signs hold a special place in our hearts. They evoke nostalgia, reminding us of bygone eras and vibrant cityscapes. Their unique aesthetic and historical significance further contribute to their value. The future of neon. While neon signs have faced competition from LED technology, their enduring appeal and unique characteristics ensure their continued existence. As we move forward, we can expect to see neon signs evolve and adapt to new trends and technologies. So, the next time you admire a dazzling neon sign, remember the intricate process, skilled craftsmanship, and rare materials that go into its creation. It's not just a sign, it's a piece of art, a testament to human ingenuity, and a symbol of a bygone era. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.